Do you want some more? Want some more? Ah, yummy. So cute. Hello rainbows, welcome back to my channel. So, I've done it again. I bought a Jeffree Star mystery box. Now let's just say, this is my second Jeffree Star mystery box. I've already done a video on the first one, and let me just say, I was slightly disappointed. People watching the video were not happy with my video. I reckon it's probably one of my videos that's got the most dislikes. But hey, I was being 100% honest, I was being open. It was my true first impressions of doing that video, and if you guys don't like my honesty, can't relate. And I actually set an alarm hoping to purchase the deluxe box or the biggest box as well as a smaller box, but I slept through. It was like 2 AM my time. So this was the only one that was available when I actually finally woke up to buy it. Shipping took a friggin' long time. I think I remember him saying that they'd already pre-packaged all of these ready to get sent out to everybody. But yeah, these are the Valentine's Day edition. It is now like the 6th of March, 7th of March, something like that, and it's just arrived. So yeah. Shipping did take a very, very long time, but that's all right. I understand that they are busy. I have not obviously opened this. I'm going to open this for you guys on camera, and we're going to test out every single product. A lot of you guys were disappointed in my last video that I didn't try everything on. I didn't see the point in swatching products or trying products on that I really knew I was not going to use, and I would rather keep those pristine for you guys to do a giveaway. And I've actually already done that giveaway. The lucky winner was in Canada. I sent the parcel off to her full of Jeffree Star goodies, Urban Decay, Lime Crime. There was so much stuff in that. So these were launched on the 30th of January. Let's open this baby. Who knows what's in here? I did get the smaller size box, which retailed for $40 US, which converts to $56.90 Australian. Okay. Ooh, lots of lipsticks. So first thing I see is a pop socket. Awesome. I did get one of those in my first box. Oh my gosh, there's a skin frost in here. Let's try lipsticks first because I have no lipstick on at the moment. This is the first one I see. It is in the shade Triggered. It looks like a nice dark shade. Shake well before use. So let's have a look. Is this a liquid lip? Oh, it is. I think from his new collection, it's all glittery. Whew. All right, let's try it on. Oh, okay, super dark. All right, so here is how it's looking. Is this a shade that I would wear day to day? Definitely not. I already own heaps of colors like this, but this would probably be good to double as a eyeliner, but it is a nice just for something kind of sultry and gothic and whoo. All right, let's open this highlighter so I don't have to instantly wash this off. So, oh my gosh, this is in the shade Deep Freeze. I don't know what color this is. I'm guessing this might be a blue shade. I was actually really hoping for like a mint to be color because I would definitely wear that. So very girthy sized packaging. Wow, it is fluoro kind of blue. A lot of people said in my last video that, you know, if you apply a really light hand, they're actually really beautiful. So we are going to apply this. I already do have a little bit of highlighter on. I wasn't honestly expecting to get a highlighter, so let's just try it and see what it looks like. Let's go in. So it's definitely blue. Yeah, definitely blue. I'll try like a super, super light hand. Like, I don't know how much lighter I can get than that, but like a super light hand. It's still blue. Like, it doesn't look as blue there compared to this side, but yeah, it definitely still has a noticeably blue kind of hue to it. It's definitely, you know, bright. Is it something that I would wear from day to day? No, definitely not. I could wear this with lots of kind of special effects, kind of party type makeup. But in saying that, I've already got a lot of products similar, so yeah. But hey, product formula is nice. I'd definitely like to purchase some of his probably more normal colors for a highlighter. And yes guys, I know what Jeffree Star is. I know what his makeup brand is like. I know he's known for crazy, weird, wonderful colors. I love his brand. I love his products. Would I personally purchase this for myself? Probably not. And yeah, I know it's a mystery box. I understand. But yeah, I'm just saying. So you guys don't crucify me in the comments like you did in the last video. Anyway, all right, next color is another liquid lip. This is in the shade Can't Relate. Again, I think this is from his new collection. It looks like it's a kind of peachy nude color. So let's wipe this one off and try this baby on. Ooh. Alright, here is how it's looking. It is a nice color. This is probably as nude as I would ever dare venture. I don't really like my lips looking like my skin. Just my personal preference. I do prefer to wear darker, in a way, tones rather than anything too pale, but I think I do pull this off. I think I can get away with this color. However, yeah, I wouldn't probably like to go any lighter. I don't want to look like I've been eating icing. So yeah, this is a really nice shade. It feels nice on the lips. Glad I got this in the box, because this is probably not something that I would have purchased myself, just because I know I tend to steer away from these kind of colors. So I'm glad I had the opportunity to try it on, because I actually think it is quite nice, especially with probably more of an intense eyeshadow look, maybe even some gloss over the top. Is quite nice. We've got two more items in here. They are both lipsticks. The next one we've got is Starfish. Ooh, okay, super bright. Let's try this baby on. Smells really nice. It's not actually as bright as what I thought it would be. It is actually a really pretty color. It feels nice on the lips, and I actually would feel comfortable wearing this. Normally, if I'm wearing a more bright or dark or just fierce lip color, I do prefer it to be in a liquid lipstick form, just because it's not going to budge. It's going to kind of more stay put on the lips. But this one, I think I could easily get away with wearing. It's really comfy and I like it. Ooh. All right, so we are down to the last lipstick. This is in the shade Watermelon Soda. I actually got this in my last box and I freaking love it. I've worn it a fair bit and you guys have given me so many compliments every time I've worn it. So this is my third Watermelon Soda that I actually own. One of them I gave away in the giveaway. I kept one for myself, and this is my next one. So I could always keep this for myself again, or save this up for next time I do a giveaway. I'll just insert a photo here with me wearing it so you guys can really see what it looks like. So let's do a little bit of a cost breakdown of the products and let you guys know exactly what kind of deal I got on the products. So here's Skin Frost retail for $29 US. His lip ammunitions are $18 US, and his liquid lipsticks are again $18 US. So let's tally them all up. 4 lipsticks in total at $18, and 1 Skin Frost equals $101 US, which equals 143 Australian dollars of value of products. I did pay, I think, like $10 or $15 shipping. So all up, I paid maybe like around 60 or so Australian dollars for $143 worth of product. So definitely it is a really good deal product wise. It is a bit of a gamble whether you're gonna like the products or not, whether you're gonna get a use for them. If you don't like any of the products, you can't use any of them. It is definitely a waste of money. However, if you do like majority of the products, it is a pretty good deal. Obviously, with all kind of mystery boxes, it is a gamble. You never know what you're gonna get, but it is definitely fun unboxing it and just like the excitement of what you may or may not have received. Definitely a lot of fun. If you guys have spare cash or you just love Jeffree Star, it's definitely worth purchasing one next time he does them. A lot of people think, you know, it is a way of getting rid of old stock, which I think it definitely is, or items that don't sell as well. A lot of these items, however, were new stock pieces as well. So